Oh, baby. Honey lemon chicken. Let's go. He's on sale. $3.37 for 3 great sized chicken legs. Check out the size of those legs. Anyway, we'll just pat those dry. You can release, see how it popped, right? Again, us old guys with our hip joints popping all the time, right there. So you can actually see where you need to cut. So just trim away the skin if you need to, and then you'll be able to take off your drumstick a little bit easier. So a little tip, you're cooking up your thigh, it's big like that, find the bone, take your knife very carefully here, and just make a few incisions next to the bone. I'll actually get a smaller knife for that. Easier with a paring knife, just go right next to the bone and make a few incisions, ensure that it's cooked all the way through. Again, go next to that bone, a few incisions, and a little bit of olive oil, not too much. Onion powder, coat everything around. If you can leave this marinate for an hour or two, even better, but some garlic powder as well. Ho, ho, ho. Herbs, thyme. Going for a nice air fry tonight, and I'm going to finish it off in the pan later. Just mop up. Alright, so we're going to put that in the air fryer.
While our chicken is cooking in the air fryer, we're going to make our sauce. We'll start out with some olive oil and onions, add in a few lemon slices and a few whole cloves of garlic. We're just going to crush those down. Excellent. Give that a little stir. Next in, you'll see me putting in a cube of my broth. I keep that in the freezer, and it's much easier to use whenever I need a little bit of broth. I add in a cube. I'll add in a 1/4 cup of honey and about a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, and we'll give that a nice mix and reduce that down. Last but not least, I have a little bit of lemon zest and a little bit of thyme. Here comes that chicken, so it's out of the air fryer, the skin is crispy, and I'll just finish off the cooking process on a medium-low heat inside that nice honey lemon glaze. Cooking chicken does not need to be boring. This is another dinner idea that you can give a try to. Do me a favor as well, while we're plating this up, hit that subscribe button so you can see more great, easy recipes on my channel.
This should be effing spectacular. Boom! Spectacular.